Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video today I've got some wireless earbuds. These were sent out to me by Soundcore and they are just being released today, and they are some amazing wireless earbuds. So here they are. So it's the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros. So here they are in the box. So we're going to do an unboxing and review of these wireless earbuds. So let's just dive into the video. Okay, so these are the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros. So these are Soundcore's new wireless earbuds. So I believe there was a Liberty 4 before, but these are the Liberty 4 Pros. So here they are. So these are being launched today. So here they are in the box. That's what they look like. So 7 sensor precise noise cancelling, and there you've got high resolution audio, ANC 3.0, playtime 10 hours to 40 hours. So let's just have a look at this side. So there you go, innovative 7 sensor noise cancelling system, biometric pressure sensor, sound sensors, and adaptive ANC 3.0. So there it is. So it's got an algorithm, so it works in tandem, so it's reacting to the environment 3 times per second for precise noise cancelling. So we're going to get these unboxed and have a look at them. So here's all the stuff on the back. So hi-fi audio with 2 drivers, digital crossover, easy control with case touch bar and display, clear calls with 6 mics, wow, and AI noise reduction. And obviously you can connect it up to the Soundcore app, so you can get that from the App Store or Google Play. And that's what's inside the box. So the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro earbuds, charging case, some spare ear tips, and a USB-C cable. So let's get these unboxed. So here's a little arrow here. So if I peel that off, that should open. So like I said, they're being launched today. So this is their new range here. So let's just have a look. So as you open the box, you've got a QR code here. And then you can download the Soundcore app as well. Nice boxing. So here we have some instructions of how to set them up and put them in your ears. So let's just have a look, get this out. So on the back there you've got, alright, touch bar, smart display, and manual pairing, shows how to pair it up to your phone. So this is what they're like in the box. Wow. So let's just have a look what else is in the box, if there is anything. So let me just lift that up. So you got some more instructions here. So Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros. So general instructions, just tells you how to set everything up. So let's just have a look. See if I can get my finger in here. Right, so there's nothing else in there. So these will be the spare tips, I believe. Oh yeah, and the USB-C cable, and as you can see, the spare tips. I'm not gonna open them, but obviously you get some spare tips as well. So let's just get that back in. Get that back in there. That in there. Get that back. So yeah, really high quality packaged box there by Soundcore. So brilliant. So here are the wireless earbuds. So there's the Soundcore logo. So let's just have a look. So oh yes, very nice. Very nice. Oh, they're charged up. Wow, I'm liking this. That shiny case. Wow. And there you have the USB-C to charge them, so it's a charging case. So very fingerprint magnet case here. So what you do, just push that. Wow, these are amazing. That is a display, like an OLED display, and it's trying to pair up to my phone. So it's a slidey case, very good. Wow. Then when you shut the case, it tells you 100% charged. So let's get them out of the case. That is an actual screen there, by the way. I'm loving the case. So let's have a look at the earbuds. Very nice. Yeah, I'm liking the design. These look like they will fit in your ears very nice. These look like the medium earbuds. Yeah, so you got the logo there sitting on there. So it's a nice like bluey silver. I don't know if that's picking it up on the camera. But yeah, I do like the design here. They look very comfortable, so I'm gonna get, try these out, because like I said, they've just been launched. So let's just put them back in. So you've got your right and your left. So that's the other bud as well. So yeah, very nice. So these are the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these paired up to my phone and have a listen to the sound quality. I'm loving that display. That is so futuristic. So let me get these paired up to my phone, and I'll come back and tell you what my thoughts are on these headphones. Okay, so there they are. I'm going to get them paired up to my iPhone. So it's their Liberty 4 Pro, so the Bluetooth. So let's just press that. Instantly connected. Soundcore Liberty Pro 4s. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a listen and tell you what I think about these amazing wireless earbuds. So I'll tell you what I think about them. Okay, so I've tried these wireless headphones out. So they are amazing. So, the build quality on them is really good as well. I love this case. So this is the case that they come in, amazing case as well. And yeah, these are really good wireless headphones by Soundcore. So, tried these out, had them out. The sound quality is really good on these as well. And I love the design of these. I don't know if you can get them in another colour, but yeah, these are amazing headphones, wireless headphones, really good build quality, and they sit really nice in your ears as well. So when you've got them in, I did try them at the gym and everything like that, and they didn't fall out or move out of my ears. So, you know, like I said, they are very comfortable as well, these wireless earbuds. So yes, they fit really nice in the ear. Now going to the sound quality, well, what can I say? So they've got the ANC noise cancellation, so that works really well. Really good on the noise cancellation as well, so really good noise cancellation. Sound quality, again, the sound quality on them got high mids, high treble, and really good round bass as well. So you've got a really good sound stage when you've got these in all types of different music. Bass is full, the highs are really good treble, and I'm loving this touch screen as well. Well, this screen on the case as well. So you've got that screen there. So, you know, and you can set the different transparency of the actual, you know, display as well on there. So, like I said, these are the Liberty 4 Pros. So they've just been released today. I am really impressed with the quality and everything on there. And with these as well, to play and pause, you squeeze the side of the lugs there. So you squeeze them there to play and pause. And then they're touch sensitive as well to do the volume as well. So, you know, they are really good quality headphones. I'm really impressed with them. So, you know, these headphones can be used in like the gym, going for a walk or anything like that at all. You know, just the quality of them is really good. You know, Soundcore have done really well with these new range of wireless earbuds. So I hope you enjoyed the video as well. So, you know, I will leave a link below of where you can get these from. I'll put the link below, and then you will be able to purchase these brand new Soundcore Liberty 4 Pros. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated on BKM Tech Reviews. So I've got more videos coming up on tech as well on this channel. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you soon on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews.